Dermstore put together the best of products for 2024. This bag retails for over $800. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we are diving into the 25th anniversary bag by Dermstore. So this bag includes all the best-selling products from Dermstore for 2024. Inside we're going to see full-size and sample-sized items. However, the majority are full-size products. Now this bag is packed with over $800 worth of products inside of it, which is a holy bananas moment in itself, but we're gonna get into it. We're gonna talk about all of the products, and I also have a coupon code to save you guys some money. So if you're interested in purchasing this bag, I will be posting a link down below. This is not a subscription, it is a one-time purchase. If you would like to purchase multiples, you can definitely do that. I have the link down below, and then I also have a discount code that will save you guys some money off. So this will normally retail for $175 with free shipping. But if you use my code, you can actually get it for $148 and some change. I think that's a pretty good code. I gotta say, the bag itself is really nice. So this is definitely one that you could take with you, you could reuse. It's not like it's a cheap bag that you just would set aside or not use at all. I think this one itself has a bit of value. Now they don't include a price tag for the bag, but it is really nice. This is definitely nicer than like an Ipsy bag even out there. It's a good solid one that you could use for cosmetic purposes. Now, when you look inside, do you see this? Like, holy bananas, it is packed. First up inside of our bag today is the Elta MD Skincare. This is their facial sunscreen. Now, this is SPF 46, and it is a full-size product. Now, what's amazing about this, you guys, is this product, I believe, retails for around like $50 for it if you want to purchase it. I forget the exact price tag on it, but this is a great facial sunscreen. So if you're ever looking for one, I do recommend this one. It's nice because not only does it protect your skin, but it's also great if you have sensitive skin and if you have acne prone skin. This is really great at fighting that and not creating more issues with your acne. So I love this one. It's on a lot of best of seller lists, which is why it doesn't surprise me that it's in this bag at all. It's even won like the Allure Best of Beauty Award. I mean, there's just a lot of awards that this sunscreen has won. The next item that we have in here is from SkinCeuticals, which is also an amazing brand. This is their Discoloration Defense, and this is going to give you a brighter looking skin after using it. So it is a serum. This serum is designed to take down any sort of wrinkles or discoloration that you might have, but it's also going to help to even out your skin's tone and making it look brighter afterwards. So this is a full-size product. It's 30 ml or 1 ounce. Here's the amazing thing, you guys. Between this product and that sunscreen, it just paid for this entire bag. This product alone is worth like $111 for it if you wanted to purchase it. So basically, everything else in the bag after this point is already paid for. So I'm just gonna say with girl math, it's all free. So this is what the packaging itself will look like. Like I said, it is a serum, so there is just going to be a dropper attached to it, and it is all sealed up at the top. I'm just so excited that this is included in the bag. But honestly, it should be in this bag because this is an award-winning product again, just like the Elta MD. So it makes total sense why it's in their best of bag. Next up, we have a tiny little serum here from Dermalogica. This is the Dynamic Skin Retinol Serum, and it is 3 ml of product. So it is itty bitty, you guys. Don't blink or you might miss it. So this one is going to be a retinol serum. It is a great brand, and I do think their products work. I'm just so anti little samples anymore, you guys. Even in this sense, I already know this is free. I know it's great to have in the bag here. If you want to try it out, you could definitely do a spot treatment, see what you think of it. But I just wish brands would get on board with giving us enough product to actually use it. Do you know what I mean? It's just, I see 30 ml and I'm instantly like, ugh, why can't we get enough product? But aside from that point, It is a really great brand. I do see why it's in the bag. This one is designed to take down wrinkles, and because it's got retinol in there, it is a stronger treatment. So if you have some fine lines or wrinkles that you really want to target, this would be a great product for that. Next up is one of the best exfoliating products I've ever tried. This is Paula's Choice. This one, I'm telling you guys, like hands down, I recommend this product. If you need an exfoliant, this is the one I would recommend. So it is a liquid formula, and you can just pour this onto like a cotton pad if you want to, and then you can use this on your face to take down any sort of bumps or textures. This is so good. Now it does have the BHA in here, and that will help to break down those textures as well. It is safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So even though it has acids in here, it honestly is a gentle enough formula, but I just noticed a huge difference after using this product. So that's why I love it. But this is a full-size product that we have inside of this bag as well. Woo, we got some eyeshadow in here. So this is from Jane Iredale, and this is their pure pressed eyeshadow. It's going to be one pan. The shade that we have is Sienna. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I believe this is considered a full-size product, but it's also kind of full-size by default since it's just one eyeshadow, you know what I mean? It's not like there would be any other size for it. So this will be your Sienna eyeshadow. Honestly, it is so neutral. You could use this as like an outer edge just to kind of soften any lines there. The next item that we have in here is from Murad. This is the Renewing Eye Cream, and I believe this is full size as well. It's 15 ml or half an ounce. For eye creams, they're usually about this size, so I think this is a full-size product here. So this one is an ultra-nourishing eye cream that will hydrate and target signs of aging. There is peptides and retinol inside of this, so it will take down like the crow's feet, any wrinkles that you have in your eye area. It will help to tighten and brighten all of that. So this is what that will look like. Of course, this Grande serum is going to be in here. This is from Grande Cosmetics, and it is their Lash MD. This will help to give peptides to your lashes, and so it will actually make your lashes stronger and longer after using this serum. Now, I do feel like this product works. I have found that it can be sensitive for some of my viewers. So if you've never tried this product out before, just do a little area and see how it works for you. I don't have any issues with it at all, and I do feel like my lashes are longer after using this one. You have to be consistent with it and keep doing it like every day, but I do notice a difference after using this product. But I love this one. Love that it's in the bag. It's in the bag. What? We got Medigate in here. This is liquid peptides. This is full size, isn't it? Okay, you know one thing I like? I like that they're giving us full-size products on the brands and products that I want it on. So like with this last one, I like this one, but I don't necessarily need it to be full-size for a lash serum. This serum, though, is so expensive. This is what I want to be full-size because I can't afford to buy this otherwise. So this one is the Hydrating Peptide Serum. This is a full-size bottle, and you're going to use this morning and night, but this will give you peptides back to your skin. So it's just going to be a liquid version of that, giving your skin what it needs, so that way you'll have healthy skin afterwards. This is one that I am really excited about, you guys, because again, this is not cheap. This is an expensive product. What is this? IS Clinical? I don't know what this brand is. I've not seen this product, and watch, this is going to be super expensive. Cleansing Complex. It's a 6-ounce bottle, and it says this one will help to be a cleanser for face and neck. It will resurface and clear out your pores. It's a gel formula that is powerful but gentle for sensitive skin. So it's going to get rid of dirt and makeup, but it's not going to strip your skin. It's going to feel softer after using it. I like the idea of it. Everything sounds great. I just have not used this product, so I don't really know anything about it. So I'm excited though, because if this is considered their best cleanser for the year, then I'm glad it's in here and I can at least try it out and see what it's like. It is a full-size bottle, which is awesome. Okay, we have unboxed 9 items so far, you guys, and I still have several to go in here. And do you see this? We got Obagi in here. Oh, you guys, this box is so worth it. This probably just paid for the entire bag, you guys. So Elastoderm, this is the neck concentrate. This product is amazing. Okay, so I got to try this product out. I think last year I got it in a box. I think I got it from Dermstore actually. And I do really like this product. So this is one that is designed for the neck area, and it is supposed to help take down signs of aging. It's also going to smooth everything out, and it's going to help make this area a little bit more firm. I loved using this product when I had it, but again, it is so expensive to buy on its own. So to get it in here, I mean, honestly, I should just stock up with this bag, you guys, for the next year, because this would be a much more affordable way to do it. So this is a full size bottle here. It's 2 ounces. This is going to feature a contour complex that's been patented. This will help to fight off signs of aging. It's going to also take down any sun damage that you might have and give you firmer, even looking skin. So you want to apply this morning and night after you've cleansed in this entire neck area. And then just keep in mind when you are putting this on to always push upwards, and you want to kind of like push it this way. Don't push it down. Otherwise, you're working against the product. You want to make it firm and to tighten everything up. So we always want to apply in an upward motion on the neck. Just a little tip for you guys, but I'm telling you guys, I'm so excited it's in here. Next up is a product from PCA Skin. These are microneedle eye patches. That sounds kind of scary. So there's hyaluronic acid. It's 1 pair of patches in here, and they're gonna work in this under eye area. It says each patch will contain 1,254 dissolving micro needles. It's an advanced technology that will deliver 4 forms of hyaluronic acid and anti-aging ingredients. Upon contact, the needles form micropores that will create a passage for the ingredients to absorb into your skin. The microneedles are made of water-soluble ingredients. They will slowly dissolve as they contact the skin, resulting in improved hydration and reduced appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. Okay, this sounds very interesting, but at the same time, a little scary. Like, does anybody else feel a little bit afraid of this? Because this is such a sensitive area. You know what I mean? Like, it's such a thin piece of skin. And I know they're dissolving needles, but I'm like, the idea of poking little tiny holes, I mean, 1,200 holes in this area kind of freaks me out a little bit. But I do think it probably would be better if the actual, the hyaluronic acid in the serums can actually get in there and penetrate. You'll probably have better results. I am so torn on this product. Like, I like the idea of it, but I'm also terrified of it too. If you guys have tried this, let me know down in the comments. What do you think of it? Does it hurt? Does it irritate your skin at all? I'm just curious. Next up, we have a product from Unite. This is a sample size of their detangler. It is a leave-in conditioner product. We have 1 ounce or 30 ml here for this hair product. We also have a gold conditioner inside of our bag. So this is 1.7 ounces, and this is going to be a brightening conditioner that you can put into your hair. It features 24 karat gold in this product. We even got a little perfume in here. So this is from Oribe, and it is a sample of their perfume. It's only 2 ml of product. So again, not a lot in here, but at least you could smell it and see if you like it or not. So I think it's okay to have, a little tiny sample of this. And last up, we have a product from Skin Medica, another great brand, you guys. This is their repair cream. It is 0.25 ounces. So this hydrating cream is going to be your moisturizer, but it's also supposed to be really deep penetrating hydration. I do like that this is a larger sample than the 5 ml, 3 ml that we saw earlier at least. I do feel like with this one, you could do a full face of moisturizer and see what you think of this product at least. So there's enough there to work with. 15 products, you guys. What? So that is everything inside of the best of bag from Dermstore. There are 15 products inside of this bag. The majority, I would say, are full-size products. So I do think that's awesome. And like I said, I feel like they gave us the full-size products on what I want. So the Obagi, I mean, you guys, the names in this bag are insane. Having Obagi, having Skin Medica, PCA Skin in here, Medigate, Elta MD, like all of these brands are very well-known, established skincare brands. And I love that you truly are getting the best of the best in this bag. So this is definitely a much more affordable way to try these products out. If you've never tried them before, go with the bundle option because 1 or 2 items will pay for the entire bag versus you buying those items by themselves individually. I love it. I approve. This is definitely a Sydney approved bag. So if you guys are interested in this, I will be posting that link down below. And don't forget to use the coupon code, you guys, because you can save like 25 bucks off with my coupon. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.